If you work in quality control at a candy factory, you know strict safety regulations come with the job. It's why you partner with Grainger. Grainger helps you find the high-quality and compliant products your business needs to inspect, detect, and help correct issues. And the sweetest part is, everyone gets a product that's as safe to eat as it is delicious. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
How do I create a food truck marketing plan? So if you're brand new to food truck entrepreneurship, or if you're getting ready to launch a food truck, marketing your food truck is something that is a must. Literally creating a food truck, parking it somewhere, and hoping people find you, not going to work. You're going to need to do a little bit of publicity, marketing, and some exposure for your food truck. So in this video, I'm going to break down how do I create a food truck marketing plan. Step by step, I'm going to explain what they are and how to do it. We're going to dive into that here on Food Truck Freaks, YouTube's premier food truck entrepreneur channel right now. All right, welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. It is Damian Roberti. So if you're not a subscriber yet, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you're brand new to food entrepreneurship, food truck entrepreneurship, you definitely want to be subscribed to Food Truck Freaks. We have a ton of great videos, and we upload all the time with great resources, tips, pointers, and advice. So let's dive right into it. Let's not waste any time right out of the gate. So creating that marketing plan for your food truck definitely is a pivotal in steering your mobile culinary venture towards success. Now, the street food industry is a bustling in competition with a lot of competitors, and a well-crafted strategy, though, can ensure that you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Now, this comprehensive video will walk you through the essentials of food truck marketing. First off, understanding your market. So the foundation of any successful marketing plan is a deep understanding of the market. Now, for food truck owners, this means identifying your ideal customer segments and understanding their dining habits, preferences, and frequent locations. Are your potential customers office workers looking for a quick lunch, or are they night owls seeking a bite after hours? Each scenario actually requires a different approach. Conducting surveys or even engaging in social listening to gather vital data and basically chef tasting each dishes, ensuring preparation for those customers. Now, setting clear objectives. That's the next one up. Before you actually launch any marketing campaign, define clear and achievable objectives. Are you aiming to increase your sales by 20%? Do you want to grow your social media followers by the thousands in 3 months? Setting SMART, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals, helps you track your progress and refine your strategies as you go. So keep that in mind. SMART is something that we actually instituted with our business, which is a food business. Actually, it's a little different. It's an online e-commerce food business. And let me tell you, being that acronym, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, is really amazing. Next up is brand development. Your brand is more than just your simple logo or design on the side of your food truck. It is your business personality and promise to your customers. It should actually reflect the uniqueness of your offerings and resonate with your target audience. Now, think of your brand as kind of like the seasoning that makes your food memorable. Ensure your food truck design, menu design, and even your staff uniforms communicate your brand consistently. So basically across the board, guys, you want to make sure that your truck, your uniforms, your attitude, everything about your food business on wheels, it definitely screams what you want it to yell. Make sure it's memorable. Not only the food, but the service and everything that goes along with it. It really is important because customers will not come back to you, even locally. They see you at more events. If they had a bad experience, they won't be back. Strategic marketing tools. Now, this may sound pretty technical, but it's really, really not. With a strong brand and the clear objectives in place, now you can select the most effective tools to reach your audience. Now, everyone talks about social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, of course, are essential for how to market a food truck. Post engaging content regularly, from mouth-watering photos of your dishes to updates about where your truck's going to be. Social media isn't just a broadcasting tool, it's a two-way street that allows you to engage with your customers directly. Email marketing. Yes, believe it or not, collect emails. Collect them through contests, giveaways. You can even do sign-up sheets at your food truck. Send regular newsletters with special promotions, menu updates, and information about where your truck's going to be locally at your next event. Partnerships and collaborations. Partner with local businesses or attend community events to broaden your reach. Collaboration can range from cross-promotions with nearby businesses to participation in local food events. This one is also a really good one. A lot of people don't think about loyalty programs. You want to encourage repeat business with loyal programs. Loyalty programs are great, and they're actually simple strategies like a punch card that offers a free meal after every certain number of purchases. Works wonders. All right, let's get into this. Local SEO. Of course, in the digital age, a strong online presence, no matter the type of food business you have, is crucial. Optimizing your website for local SEO to ensure that when someone searches for your food trucks in your area, you appear at the top of the list. Include location-specific keywords. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, considering your customers might be searching on the go. That would mean on their cell phone. So, content marketing. Develop a content marketing strategy that positions your food truck as a leader in your niche. This could actually involve blogging about the origins of your dishes, the story behind your truck, or food preparation tips. High-quality original content not only engages readers, but it also actually improves your SEO efforts, and you'll be found on Google much more often. Now, next up, once you've got this all in place, you implemented it, you need to start analyzing your performance. So, to refine your marketing tools and your efforts continually, you must track and analyze your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic, social media analytics to see which posts generate the most engagement, because actually this data provides insights into what strategies are working for your food truck and what are not. All right, lastly, here's a few really quick tips, food truck marketing tips. So here's some additional food truck marketing tips to keep in mind. Utilize visuals. Of course, as a food truck, your visual appeal can be just as important as your taste. Invest in high-quality photography to make your dishes look irresistible. Engage locally. Become an integral part of your local community by participating in local events, festivals, even fairs. This actually can increase your visibility and strengthen your local connections. Offer promotions. Yes, regular promotions like a happy hour, for instance, prices or meal of the day discounts can drive traffic and increase customer frequency in your specific area. Monitor your trends. Now, the food truck industry is ever evolving, so you want to stay ahead of keeping an eye on the current trends and adapting new menu and marketing strategies accordingly. So with that in mind, crafting an effective food truck marketing plan involves a deep understanding of your market, setting some clear goals for yourself, effective use of your digital tools, and continually adapting to feedback and trends. If you have any questions about this down below, or if you've implemented some of these ideas, let us know how they've worked for you here on Food Truck Freaks. We'll definitely get back with your comments as soon as we can. I'll see you guys in the next video, and check out these additional resources.